everybody. We are back. Twin Station Talk.
Fierce and
fabulous in the house.
Fierce and this is fabulous.
You guys don't know which one is fierce or fabulous yet? I think you guys should know that by now.
So before we start, we wanted to make sure to tell you, share our videos, share our channel, share share with your friends, and then subscribe so when we drop so you can get notification. Click on the bell because we need you guys, we need followers, we need subscribers because we have some great contents coming up.
Yeah, so ça y pour mon amis, famille, fanatique qui parle créole yo. Nous venons là pour nous venir ba nous une belle petite présentation. Avant nous faire ça, make sure que nous allez abonner, partager page là, partager vidéo yo. Cliquez sur cette cloche là.
So les la vidéo
boom pour nous connaître. Comprendre? So, je dis il y a plusieurs monde qui toujours demander nous poser une question. Est-ce que tout jimèl même genre?
Yeah, sous ça, quand vous posez une question plus comme si tout qui ça type de bail qui favori nous, qui ça qui nous préféré. So we've had some people ask us question about what our favorite things are, and
to see if they are the same.
No, they asked us what our favorite things were, but we're putting a twist to it where we're both gonna answer on a different page, and then to see if are we? And so
I think.
What do you guys think? You think we're
gonna be like tie and even number? Nous pensons nous va sa réponse nous va match you not what?
I think so.
To a degree, but m'pa connait n'a regardé pour nous. So il y a quelques monde qui ont besoin connait quelque bail de
c'est bail simple
de jumelles yo.
On a que bail la léger like
as you already know, we're gonna do a little game and telling you guys what some of our favorite stuff are that people have asked us about. Comme nous déjà connaissons, nous allons faire une petite présentation, une petite jouette, côté nous allons dire qui ça nous aimons préféré. Et comme nous déjà connaissons, nous avons parlé nous avons sorti de anglais à créole de créole à anglais pour nous satisfaire toute audience net. Vous voyez?
La plaie de présentation, comme c'est dans l'école, comme lui ouais Kyle pense l'école. Comme you fait, qu'on a fait une journée professeur.
Petit et pas professeur
ça va peut-être faire mal.
Okay. So, premier bac dans liste là.
What are qui couleur préférée nous? What is our favorite color? So, you have to write fast, Fabiola. You can't
Get the feeling man. You said one color.
No.
Yeah, you said one color. She's writing a book.
No, I'm not.
No, okay.
So what is? See, mine is different because mine is a combination.
It's not a color. What you just wrote is not a color. Mine is red. She wrote autumn color, couleur automne.
I love fall colors.
Li mette couleur moutarde là. Like
I love mustard yellow. Moi j'aime jaune moutarde là. Moi j'aime
red
couleur orange brûlé, un burnt orange. Moi j'aime red là. But
me dis one couleur pas répondre question. Next.
No, I said lately I've been going back and forth. It used to be red, but for some reason I'm so in love with the fall colors.
No, I love red, but what I love, there's different shade of red. Moi j'aime rouge, il y a différents teintes rouges que qu'on y a m'ka gérer. Donc ça c'est une. Il y a plusieurs teintes rouges là, mais une. Ouais, deux différentes teintes rouges là.
Moi j'aime rouge tout, but j'aime la couleur de l'automne, but comme si pour me choisir
on est allé ça ou bail trop couleur là. OK. Favorite food, hot food. Manger préféré qui chaud. Moi-même mettez pas maintenant, marron pour.
OK, mine.
On regarde pour là. Lui même lui dit cabrit avec diri sauce pois noir.
Baguette qui moi.
Lui baguette qui noir. So quand dit qu'il dit
so mine is it's like fried goat with
spicy fried
goat with like white rice and like the little
blacks
and then bean puree. So
me,
yeah, mettez banane fruit seulement.
Banane fruit, I love banane fruit. Moi banane fruit en pile.
Non, tu peux
I love fried plantain.
Non, tu peux dire banane fruit, non, tu peux dire banane qui fait dans tout banane bouillie, banane fruit. You know, this girl, she loves plantain in all the shape, in papita shape, in you know, like fried plantain and a ball plantain. And I remember when she used to have like, when she used to be young and she had like sore throat stuff, you would think she would go for the soft stuff. She would say, "Mommy, I want boiled plantain," and this girl would heal this thing with just swallow.
Let me get my gorge. Banan la maman de me semble me dit banan bouilli. Et pas banan n'importe qui banan bouilli non, banan vert, banan musqué. Et maman
like
pas un monde qui fait le moche parce que comme ça si m'a manger un bagage. So banan son bagage
anyway. Favorite ice cream.
Unchanger pas. Favorite ice cream. Favorite ice cream. Comment c'est l'autre? Oh, moi. Emil, pas favorite man. It's not my favorite if I can't remember it. Fabian, let's say one. If you put two, it cannot be your favorite.
You can have more than one.
Yeah, no, right now you're sticking to one. Your favorite.
Okay, so the first one I put rum raisin.
Rum raisin. Yeah, rum raisin. Yeah.
But I'm falling in love with mint and chocolate too. So
far, nous somewhat. On gagne, qui vraiment
no, but red lag on
okay.
But you like some of the colors that
I know, but it's favorite.
Okay.
Favorite genre of music.
Okay.
Musique nous pire aimer. Qualité musique. Qui sont mettez?
Zouk.
Yeah, zouk. Moi me compas. But moi me compas qui douce.
Moi me slow compas tout.
Moi me zouk oui, but les pire me zouk passer.
M'ka pour soirée. I've dansé zouk seulement. I can spend the whole night dancing to zouk music. It's kind of like a Caribbean genre, but it's slow.
Compas is a Caribbean one too, but it's more
like
upbeat.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. But we have some slow compas too, so yeah.
Okay, so favorite movie genre. Oh, I think we might have this.
Okay, favorite movie genre. I love.
Genre.
Oh, genre. Let's say Christmas. Would Christmas movie be considered
So I don't know. You would say maybe like
romance.
Yeah, that's what
I like. Romance.
I put romantic comedy. So
yeah, I like romantic.
So
comedy.
If we're gonna be specific, well, I'm Hallmark. She's Hallmark. So that we like.
Nous aimons movie Hallmark, c'est movie qui fait l'amour, qui a une belle fin.
I love happy endings.
Yeah. Nous aimons movie.
I don't care.
Côté pour marié, yo content. Même si nous avons une journée histoire pas dérouler, but
yeah, I don't care. He was like, oh, you already know how it's gonna end. I'm like, I don't care. I just want to see how it plays out.
Okay,
so we kind of like we match on that one. Two. Okay.
Three. We have
favorite
three.
authors.
I'm get again, Louis.
Me too.
I think I'm get one name in Bagana. Daniel Steele. Favorite author. Auteur préféré nous est Daniel Steele. Fils a toujours put me on my toe. J'aime quand qui j'en livre a fini. Parce que livre ou mettre pas c'est bon là et puis on fait tuer moun yo ou bien il fait violer moun yo ou bien pas j'aime quand qui j'en la.
I love Daniel. We love Daniel. I mean, I guess we match on that one.
We love Daniel.
We love Daniel Steele books, and we've been reading them since we were in Haiti in French, and then when we moved here to United States, we switched to English. I remember. We had a couple that we've read in French already, so it made it easier to read the English version since we already knew the story. So that,
sorry, that tease me avec.
So yeah, Daniel Steele. So our next thing, favorite fruit.
I was gonna put favorite fruit and vegetable. Favorite fruit and vegetable.
Okay, we can do that.
Favori avec légumes.
Légumes préférés.
Mais même moi, I'm dame été là. Ok, je vais te dire qui est dans fruit. Ok, qui est mis toi même?
Mango!
Ouh, regardez, me fait
mango!
Parce que premier big bag
mangoes.
Fig. But me réaliser
like
bananas. But me réaliser m'pa aimer au même genre. Dès qu'on mange.
Oh, she used to eat. I remember my dad used to get cases of them. Literally, they would not even last 2 or 3 days.
So mwen kon manje nan pil, but yo te kon rele monkey, ti makak, parce tellement mwen kon manje fig. But si map gade vraiment, si map honnête la tête, mwen mango préféré mwen.
Mwen si la essaye suivre mwen. Mwen konen.
Oh, wala bay mwen ti kon ya? Mango is my favorite.
Ou pa de krill.
Bananas used to be my favorite, but as of right now, currently mango is. E mango ki bay mwen kon ya.
What about vegetable, legume? Mwen broccoli. I love broccoli.
Yeah.
I love broccoli, and if I have to pick a second, carrots.
No, I love broccoli. Yeah, I love broccoli.
And corn.
Ooh, corn. Yeah.
Broccoli and corn, I think, are
the same. Yeah.
As jodi an manjon mayi bukane, even though
nous mangeons mayi bukane.
You know, it's not the same thing as the one in Haiti, because we used to grow them in Haiti. It's not the same thing, but because you know they remove them too soon, I think.
But you know, nous aimons mayi, bukane, nous aimons brocoli tout. Mais even de la même genre, non? Mayi bukane nous mangeons c'est là, but l'obage maman ou t'es grande, okay?
Okay. So
favorite place of travel so far.
Ça I'm vraiment pas gen. I don't know what to answer because I really don't know that many places. Because I came straight from Haiti to here. So if I had to pick, really, I would say Haiti. Because
you been to Haiti more often?
More often, as if I'm traveling to go there. And what I love about it, just like there's a vacation vibe for me when I go there, and I feel like I'm at home, and it feels there's a peace. So même m'pa vraiment voyager.
Okay, but même
so c'est yeah, so Haïti m'ka di c'est si m'a choisi un des pays vraiment que visiter parce que c'est des pays sont visités vrai, m'a regarder et m'a choisi Haïti.
Mais même visiter un petit peu plus pays partiel. Si pour le moment m'ka di Costa Rica. Parce que Costa Rica me prend plus plaisir, mal regarder volcan et puis mal dans non bagay sauna et non bagay non côté que des différents côté de même gain de l'eau chaud qui sorti dans grotte, so mal dans grotte là.
Okay,
so
did you say
my favorite place would have been have to be Costa Rica right now.
But you know what? I just
I've
remembered.
seen the volcano and everything. So yeah.
I forgot.
Costa Rica.
We went to Greece.
I went to Greece, but
we went to Greece.
I think I would have loved it more if I had gone to Santorini.
No, but I said I have only been to 2 countries. I have a third one. And Greece was amazing. And it felt like Haiti where we went to. But la Grèce, m'bliye ça. Et puis so little teacher côté nous te descend nan resort nous te descend nan li te ba un petit feel comme si ça y touye ba ça.
Yeah.
So but okay.
Haïti, va c'est plus d'Haïti. M'konne Santorini lève là aller plus parce que n'a pas plus plaisir là. But même Costa Rica va c'est me enjoy Costa Rica, manger était bon. On a visité, il vient me donner mon bus là bas d'état me sorti, m'a sorti pied mon corps, mon petit bus là décoincé but belle bas.
Okay. So favorite pastime. What right
Konya m'ka di passe-temps favori m'konya nan moment ça c'est garder movie africain.
I think this one we match.
Movie africain, ça
avec quelques movies haïtiens que nous jouons ba.
So longtemps nous t'ai dit c'était Lee.
As of right now, we could say watching African movies because that's the two of them. Like I didn't even have to wait for it because I know that
we know that would have been
but in the olden days, oh my God, we used to read a lot.
2-3 days.
We used to read like
2-3 books a day.
Yeah, we used to I remember I used to hide my books under my work. You know, my notebook. When my mom would come, I would hide it, act like I'm doing work, or somebody would have a new book. I'm like, let me borrow it. I'm gonna bring it tomorrow.
One of the reasons I stop reading as much too is because when I start reading a book, I don't want to put it down. Because I don't want to put it down, my homework suffered. Other stuff that I was supposed to do suffered.
Yeah, nous t'ai mis lien pile.
Ça me yon raison qui fait attendre m'vinn 10 millions dans lit, m'vinn gen l'autre responsabilité. Et me dit qu'on a l'école et le fait que si m'bon livre m'commencer lire, m'pas vle déposer le livre là. Tout le temps pour finir, m'a quitté devoir, m'a quitté l'autre bas pour me rester. Donc obligé font freiner sur ça parce que m'a déposer corps pour étude là, pour me passer mes amis.
Okay. Favorite sport? Volleyball for me. She doesn't really
I don't have one. Longtemps de radis, de fanatique football qui fanatique. De fanatique Brazil. I was a fan of Brazil. They couldn't get but fanatic. I don't really have.
But me, volleyball, you know, I love watching volleyball. I love playing volleyball. I played volleyball since I was 12. And when I was in Haiti, I played in high school. My last year of high school, because I only came to United States for the last 2 years in high school, and then I played in college. But I only played my first year because after the first year, my studies got so hectic that I was like, oh,
I think for me, if I was to pick a sport, it would be tennis because I played it in high school, and I was good at it. So I enjoy doing it. For the year that I did.
Yeah, so moi-même, sport préféré, c'est volleyball. Moi, jouer volleyball, moi, regarder volleyball. Je suis content de filmer volleyball. Soit c'est un bagage que l'aime de l'école Haïti, qui t'a fait qui doit faire moi. Si mon côté jouer volleyball, moi, je la regarder. Quand vous faites pour te faire pas you know, tu m'as
on va besoin Philippe. Tu vas besoin. So Philippe dit m'a fait pas. Nous t'ai on faire
volleyball, je joue volleyball depuis Haïti dans l'école dans 4 soir après ça je joue volleyball dans l'école dans high school boy ici et puis je joue dans collège tout.
Yeah, so moi même pas vraiment aimer sport.
But s'il t'a choisi un petit tennis.
Yeah, s'il t'a choisi un bon bye, ça lui me pas.
Okay. Favorite app, social media network.
Favorite app right now for me is WhatsApp.
Yeah.
WhatsApp. Favorite social network, I would have to say Facebook.
I mean, WhatsApp is a social network too, no?
No, the apps and social. Just come together.
You know, there's a Facebook app, there's an Instagram app too, Fabiola.
Fabienne.
You should do
I saw you.
You see that's social media.
Okay, anyway. Social media.
But with social media, I've been using Facebook a lot more. I'm trying to get more comfortable with Instagram.
Do you guys remember High Five?
High Five. That was before Facebook.
J'aime des fanatiques High Five. He five. No, he sank.
So I remember sometimes I go back to see some of the old pictures I had on there. I'm like, let me see if I find something.
Can I log in on it?
I think you can, because I think I did on mine and I said like I forgot my password or something and then.
So back on si nous gain l'autre question nous avons poser if you guys have any more questions, little stuff that you guys would like to know about us and stuff.
But favorite pattern for clothes. What do you think they are?
Favorite pattern for clothes is, let's say it together.
We love flowers. We love flower print. I think it's more because of the colors.
The colors. Look, flowers.
It's I think it's more because of the colors, but we love beautiful.
We love
bright pattern.
Yeah, pattern. Yeah.
Prints.
My husband always say, "Are you wearing flowers again?" I'm like, "That's who I am. I cannot just choose who I am."
I remember, like he was like, I was like, he's like, "Are you wearing flowers?" I'm like, "Shoot." And then I'm going to my class. I'm like, "Okay, let me see if I don't have flowers." I'm like, "Shoot, Ellie, I can't do anything."
Yeah,
everything I have is.
Nous aimons fleurs, Nous aimons toile qui gagne en pile couleur là-dedans. Et le plus souvent toile qui gagne en pile couleur c'est toile à la fleur. So Marie me décide, elle dit, vous mettez toi pour la fleur. Parce que moi, je dis, je me tire à moi, bien boire. Il dit, moi ça, la fleur encore. Je me dis, mais ça me gagne, parce que le magasin de close, la fleur. So, je vais le choix. So, if you guys have any favorite things, comment below. Let us know what your favorite things are.
Fais-nous connaître qui ça, qui couleur préférée nous si quand il match avec nous genre de musique préférée nous s'il match avec nous pas oublier fait commentaire même si c'est high seulement n'a dit fais nous sentir
nous là
nous là
yeah et puis partagez subscribe to the channel because we need you for us to grow and we would love to grow et on regarde so si n'a regardé combien nous y est là favorite color nous t'es bonne plus ou moins favorite color yeah
key exact the one that were exact match with one reason type of movies
romantic
yeah
auteur
did we say yeah type of yeah And then
The
favorite
author, Daniel Steele.
and then favorite pastime and favorite food.
Yeah. So
Not too bad. I think 5 out of, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
I think we did 6
out of 11. Because so you don't have the sport, definitely not the sport.
Not the sport.
The favorite rice, the color, I would say, so that's 3. You keep a member guy. The music.
Zook.
The music,
Yeah.
So that's like,
Yeah.
we got 7 out of 11.
Yeah.
That was kind of a match.
Kind of a match, you
Yeah.
know. So we are more alike than we not.
7 nan 11 nan ki plus ou mwen match.
So nous plus semblés, nous ensemble. Ça va c'est.
Mpi belle.
Di semble avec.
More beautiful.
Mpi grand semble avec.
More
So avec
beautiful.
di faut qu'on plus belle version que sorti après
Yeah,
mes
so
amis.
you know.
Parce que gagas nous te photocopie, nous comme bouillon, nous fait bouillon.
She was the draft.
I was the draft, she's the final copy. Anyway, it was a pleasure making this video for you guys.
We love you.
Don't forget to comment.
Comment.
What language about mine? The language is not mine.
Fè commentaire. Fè sensi ke nou la. Like. Subscribe. Cliquez sur ti cloche la. Click on the bell. Make sure you can get the notification. And we'll be back.
And don't forget to give us ideas for videos and activities that you would like us to do. We can do some crazy things too. Not too crazy though.
We love you. We love you.
We love you. Twin Station Todd. Fierce and fabulous. We are out.